Emily from MasterChef Junior Season 6, and on this episode of Stay and Play, we're going to be changing things up a bit. So, a lot of you have been doing science experiments and crafts, and I loved watching those. But today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a recipe. So, for this, I am making rice paper rolls. I like to make it with rice paper, red bell pepper, carrots, yellow bell pepper, cucumber, and red cabbage. And for decoration purposes, radishes. I like how they're super circle. And I also cut up some shapes using the veggies, and jasmine rice, and a shallow bowl of water. Let's get started. So I'm going to start with rice paper, which is essentially rice starches. And I'm going to dip it in our shallow water for only about a second. It should be pretty transparent. So then I'm going to get these little shapes, which I cut, and they're amazing and they're so cute, which I cut using my cutters. I have a star and a heart. And if you don't have those materials, you can just use your knife. So then I'm going to get a scoop of rice, and I'm using 2 spoons so it doesn't stick to my fingers. And I'm going to scrape it on there. And when I use the shapes, I like to use opposite colors. So if there's a red star, I'll use colors like green and yellow and orange. So now, how I wrap it. First, I fold the side that's closest to me, and I fold it over, slightly. I tap the edges to make sure it sticks down so it doesn't lift up while we're wrapping. Then I get the sides closest over here, and then I bring it towards me, and then pat it again. Then I bring the side over here, and fold it over, try and get it really tight, place it right there. It's alright if this one's really loose. And then, for the last part, I get this one, and wrap it close, pat, 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 and boom. So now we're gonna start on the sauce. For our base, we're gonna have tahini sauce, which is kind of like peanut butter, but with sesame seeds. We're gonna mix that with sesame oil, soy sauce, lemon, and we're gonna dilute it with some water. So we're gonna start off with our sesame oil, and we're gonna dump that in, and we're gonna mix it up. Soy sauce, we're gonna mix that in. Now we're gonna add about the same amount of soy sauce, the same amount of lemon as we did the soy sauce. Mix. These flavors have a really great combination. Gradually add the water, just little by little, until it starts to be a thinner sauce. Now we have this shiny, delicious sauce. Super smooth too. It's perfect. So now I'm gonna add the toasted sesame seeds just up top, a little sprinkle. And now it's time to plate. So there you have it. This is the finished product. This is a really yummy and healthy dish, and I love the flavor combination. Just remember, you can be as creative as you want and use your imagination. Hope you have a nice day. Stay safe.